Pasta amounts. To boil: 1 packet of spaghetti pasta, boiling water, 1/4 teaspoon salt. For thieves: 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil, 3 teaspoons of oregano, 1 teaspoon thyme, 3 minced garlic cloves, 1/2 teaspoon hot red pepper, 1 can of tomato or tomato sauce, 2 tablespoons of vinegar, 1 pinch of salt, 1 pinch of black pepper. Pasta method. To prepare the sauce, put vegetable oil, oregano, thyme, garlic, red hot pepper in a large saucepan, and stir these ingredients together. Add the can of cherry tomatoes and stir for a minute, then leave these ingredients until they boil over a low heat. Stir the ingredients with a spoon and try to mash the tomatoes a little. Season with vinegar, salt, and black pepper, and leave these ingredients until the sauce has softened. To boil the pasta, put in a large pot of water and sprinkle with salt. Once it boils, add the pasta and leave it for 1/4 hour until it is cooked. Drain the pasta from the water, then add it to the red sauce and stir until it is saturated with the sauce, then serve it hot.